Time is always moving, and for everyone, it moves differently. Keeping track is essential. That's why we need a device that moves at the same pace as we do, going wherever we go and keeping our hands free, allowing us to use them for anything from driving to enjoying coffee to using our phones. Sometimes, when we need our hands the most, our hands need a hand. Welcome to Phonelet. Its technology allows for the smartphone to sit on the wrist comfortably. With the built-in safety mechanism, it keeps your phone secure, making it easier than ever to take a photo, conference with colleagues, or catch up with some friends after work. Phonelet keeps both hands available and your phone accessible. The Phonelet can help you improve your workflow whenever you need your hands and your phone at the same time. With a limitless amount of applications, this elegant watch turns into a multi-purpose tool. The Phonelet helps you manage time, spend time, or make time. Take time into your own hands. Phonelet. Click it and go.